16, the Patna High Court was ushered into existence. The High Court commenced work from the 1st March 1916 with Honorable Sir Edward Chamier as the Chief Justice and 6 puisne judges. In Patna High Court, judges of great eminence and fame have contributed to the dispensation of justice and development of law. The role of learned and distinguished advocates is of equal distinction. The need for an additional court complex was felt in order to cope up with the space constraint in the existing High Court complex. Foundation stone of the new Annexe building was laid on 4th February 2014 by Shri Nitish Kumar, Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, in presence of Honorable Justice Rekha Manoharlal Doshit, Honorable the then Chief Justice. The facade of the Annexe building has been kept in consonance with the old building. The Annexe building has modern features like earthquake resistance, fire detection, central air conditioning, data networking, optical fiber cabling, CCTV, solar power, water treatment plant, sewage treatment plant, rainwater harvesting and landscaping. The windows of the building are special UPCV windows with Doug glass to promote energy efficiency. ये खूबियां इस भवन को असाधारण बनाती हैं। प्रकृति के अनुकूल इस संरचना से हम ऊर्जा को सहेजेंगे और आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक अति विशिष्ट उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करेंगे। भवन की आंतरिक योजना ऐसी है कि माननीय न्यायाधीश के कक्ष और कोर्ट रूम अगल बगल हैं। The building has 5 levels and is divided into 2 blocks. Both the blocks comprise mainly of judges' chambers and courtrooms. In Block A, on the ground floor, a state-of-the-art conference room equipped with full high-definition eagle-eye speaker tracking cameras has been provided. Ramp for differently abled person has been provided. The new building has a judge's lounge. There is also a provision of special female advocate lounge apart from an advocate's lounge. On the 2nd floor, a special constitution court has been constructed which will accommodate a larger bench to facilitate hearing of referred matters of constitutional importance. शीर्ष तल में माननीय न्यायाधीश पुस्तकालय तथा अभिलेखागार है। पुराने भवन और नए भवन को जोड़ने के लिए एक कनेक्टिंग ब्रिज की सुविधा दी गई है, जिससे अधिवक्ताओं को असुविधा ना हो। नए भवन के आर्किटेक्चर को उसके सामने बनाया गया फव्वारा और आकर्षक बनाता है। इस फाउंटेन हेड की खासियत है कि इसमें वेवग्योर यानी इंद्रधनुषी छटा है। आज पटना उच्च न्यायालय के परिसर का विस्तारीकरण मूर्त रूप ले चुका है और उस पल के गवाह हम सब बने हैं। ये नवनिर्मित भवन एक्सेस टू जस्टिस एवं रूल ऑफ लॉ के मूलभूत संवैधानिक मूल्य को प्राप्त करने